drop the feet. All these hoes keep them blowing up.
I still think the pause was louder though.
It was, ain't gonna lie.
Tight
Tight shit.
What you see?
What I seen?
Yeah.
Ain't gonna lie, there's a lot of default cars, bro.
Tight shit?
Tight shit.
No way. Bro, my car only pops in neutral rolling. I can't stop and pop. If I do, I have to sit here and rev it for a long time.
Nah, but it was spitting flames though.
Huh?
It was shooting flames.
Tight shit?
Tight shit. Everybody looking, ain't gonna lie.
Tight shit.
So you brought the crowd out.
You
Okay.
know, that's what Huncho do.
Tight shit. Tight shit.
Man, yeah, stay tuned, man. We finna walk around and get some. Let's go. Let's go.
We following you. What's good, fam?
What's up, gangster? Oh my god. Oh yeah, that's my boy.
I didn't think it was popping out for real though.
Huh?
Cause I know you a wavy junkie.
I ain't no wavy junkie. Nigga, the fuck? I ain't never been to a wavy junkie. This is my first time ever coming.
Nah, I don't hit. And that takeover, what was that? What that takeover?
Get out of here.
Nah, that was a legal bit. Okay.
What take? Who do takeovers?
Yeah, we don't do takeovers. Oh, you're right. My bad. Sorry.
No, he do
Hey,
takeovers.
listen. Park and chill.
I don't do takeovers.
Park and chill. Park and chill. As you can tell,
I don't do those.
Park and chill.
I don't do those.
We don't condone takeovers.
I don't do those.
Never.
Jit Wilder. Big snitch, like damn, fuck wrong, bro.
FBI gonna have a field day with that shit. You said it, not me.
Man, you feel me? Big superstar.
You said when Huncho pop out,
It's a movie.
if y'all know this guy, y'all know.
You already know who this
If y'all
is.
know, y'all know.
We have pole lit. Talk to you.
Y'all can't look at me.
Wait.
You see the GTR in that fan?
Nah, my car too dark, gang, so I couldn't see. Bro, what's wrong with my light? I think my camera fucked.
Your camera messed up?
Oh, there we go. Man, he got the copyright going stupid, bro. I'm gonna try to do like, But he got copyright going stupid right now. This gold though. You know I'm a gold fiend. Big drone, man. Tight shit. Alright, we're going to the copyright. We gotta stay there with it. Bro, got the. Yo, I got that on that.
I remember this guy, Casey.
I've never seen it in my life.
I rock with it. This look brand new.
Huh?
Red Eye 2.
Big ready.
Hey, they got the window down. You know what that means?
No. Lock his ass up.
No.
Huncho doesn't do that. Y'all trying to get niggas booked. He trying to get people booked, bro. He one of them.
Y'all are going to jail.
He trying to get people booked.
Big TRX. I don't know. I don't see myself in the TRX.
You sleep. I low-key want one.
I can see you in the TRX.
I low-key want one.
Run up on me like a top ball. Around my town with a top ball. I just wanna fuck, take your top off. I came from the bottom, now I'm top dog. Everybody hate when you pop off. More money, more problems, I know. I don't give a fuck about no hoe.
You say you want my opinion?
Yeah, what's your opinion, bro?
That shit booful.
This can't be.
Oh, he doing a burnout. Oh, he doing a burnout. I know he bald now. Them bitches gone. He just burnt the whole tire.
Okay.
Oh no. That's gone.
It's gone.
Out of there.
Gas too, right now.
Nah, he don't need gas. That shit stock as fuck. He don't need gas. What's up, gangster?
You wanna bring this shit back in the middle?
Yeah, I can do that. What's up?
Yeah, bring it right behind here.
Right here?
Yeah, give this nigga room.
Type shit.
The other nigga room.
Type shit.
I'll be burning nigga shit.
Type shit. Hey, Jay! Where Jay go, goddamn? What the hell? Boy, got a taser over there for real.
Loud as fuck. Yeah, I need that shit right now, nigga. I need that shit right now. Oh, I can't hear nothing.
Yo, she's...
Oh, shit.
I believe this shit.
That's it?
Type shit, man. What's wrong with him, man? The nugget is so crispy, man. You see this color look like wine for real. That shit for real. I ain't gonna lie, I will take the color off, but I'm gonna do a custom design with it. Y'all stay tuned. I got some shit now. Got some shit now.
Are we finna like...
No, I'm not sliding. Don't even ask me. I'm not sliding. What?
Before you wrap it, you gotta fix this shit, dog.
You know what's funny you said that? I'm finna get it fixed real soon.
Every time I see
Like real soon. When that bit fixed, I'm gonna call his ass. Like, look, stop calling me.
He has been saying he was gonna get it fixed.
Yeah, I have.
He has said he's gonna get it fixed. You heard me?
What's
I
up?
just heard the audio connected to your phone.
Don't say that, bro. I'll be sick. I'll be sick. I'm be sick,
So
bro.
loud I can't see no more.
What? What? He said it's so loud you can't see no more? That don't even make sense, cuz. You can't see me?
I can't hear you either.
You can't hear or see. You all fucked up, cuz.
Oh no.
Bro.
I'm moving so much. Why you so antsy, bro? Cause this shit like...
Bro, lit. You lit, gang?
Yeah, bro.
He lit. Tight shit. For real, we chilling, cuz. Divide, gang. Who?
Antsy for a burnout?
Not me. I'm chilling. I'm out of there. Come on, bro. Don't it for real?
Everybody walk over there. See, I will walk over there, but that's not kind of far.
Nah, for real.
By the time I get over there, bro, this...
He done. See? Talking shit.
Back over there, bro. I kind of want to go.
Where?
Bro, there's an R34. Wait, hold on, bro. I ain't gonna lie, you bullshit.
No, wait, hold on. Where you going? Oh, he way up there. No, sir. You're not going over there.
It is, bro.
God.
Tell me this is not hard.
Oh, look at the rat, man. Oh, big cat. Man, he got this copyright going stupid. Damn. That man staying in business.
It's on bags, bro.
I know, I heard it when it went down.
I ain't see this. R34.
Honestly, this car.
What you gotta say about this car?
I fuck with this. Type shit. Been made bad, bitch. Compton, bitch. Bro, y'all listen, I'm sorry if this dark, bro. We in a dark ass area, bro. So like, bro, there's no street lights. Not bad. I fought with it. Alright, I'm going back to the Nugget. I've been too far from the Nugget.
Ran to the law. Little nigga, I'm a big dog, popped off on the bean, 9 nigga lockjaw. Beat pussy good, no beatbox. Nigga mad cause I got the streets hot. Sweet the whole block.
Bro, he got bored. Bro, he's smoking now. Hey, Jay. Damn, man, he probably stopped. Oh, no, he's still going. Oh, there you go. Damn. Bro, Mar, you go ahead. Mar, go ahead and burn out.
Hey, man, listen. Give my dog 10,000 likes. I'll give y'all a little burnout. Boring.
Simple.
You know what I'm saying? Because 10,000 likes, you get a little cash. He send that to me. I just about to tell him. So I'm going to charge him about 600. So we need at least 10,000 likes.
600? You want brand new, bitch? The fuck? For a burnout?
600.
I've been tweaking.
Holy shit!
Holy!
Motherfucking your hoe, she loud, I had to mute it. Empty a bitch account and clean the bread before they try to dispute it. Slamming in my toes, I feel like I'm breaking eyes. Catch me backing up in the trap house, in the piece of the gas drop. Drink the mailbox with a shice, but yo, I'm fucking up. I get another step. Let me get an ounce. Free the fucking mafia, brick plots and pounds. Dog, they terrified, cause they know the drill's getting out.
Damn! How the burnout was? For real? Every time I hit the red line, my car lift up. That's crazy.
That boy lit out this bitch. Hey, that boy lit.
The Nugget did his thing again. That's what I should have did in Atlanta. You see? You see?
You don't be thinking, bro.
I don't be thinking, bro. What's up?
I just like your video yesterday.
Oh, for real? I appreciate it. I got one dropping tonight, but I've been here, but I'm gonna drop that bit tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm recording. My first shit, my recording wasn't right on my face.
Nice shit. That boy walking that bit. Walk that bit in. Oh, he stopped.
That was Wilson?
Nah, that ain't Mark.
Damn, did Mark shot this too?
Hit that bit, hit that bit, hit that bit, hit that bit. Bro, oh my God, bro, that burnout just lighted everything. Shut up, bro. You ain't got no gas, cuz. That's all. Bro, that's crazy. Oh, these are cars, man. Oh, type shit. Bro, that look like troll. I ain't gonna cap right now. Damn. I ain't. This shit swole, cuz. God damn, cuz. Damn. What the fuck going on over here? See, I'm smooth. The way I be leaving, bro, I be too for real, bro. I be too damn for real. You better come on, car. Bro, they came so deep. Oh, they coming this way.
Let's go. Shit hard, let's go. Shit hard, let's go.
Come on.
I keep a K when I'm in it.